An update on a story we've been tracking for months, the development of freestanding emergency rooms in Rhode Island. The Department of Health just approved 2 new facilities.
Now, supporters say these facilities help combat long wait times, but critics say they could drive up the overall cost of health care. Eyewitness News reporter Steve Nielsen is here now with the new details.
Well, the Department of Health didn't want to talk on camera today, but told me ultimately the application met state law. That being said, they added many conditions to make sure appropriate care is given in the appropriate place. Both sides of the bay will have a new medical facility in Rhode Island, one in West Warwick, the other Bristol. They're called freestanding emergency rooms. Think of it as more serious than urgent care, but the truly serious cases would still be transported to the hospital. The head of the state's health department approved it in this decision we obtained, but with many conditions. Neighbors Emergency Center already has 16 freestanding ERs in Texas. Their application for these new facilities was met with skepticism by some members of the Health Services Council. We were there at one hearing in December.
If we're going to allow new providers to come in, it sure would make sense that the state would encourage those providers who are going to take care of all the patients, not just patients that have insurance.
The DOH says some had concerns regarding appropriate access to the underserved populations. The health department says ultimately the license application was within state laws, but added some key conditions like no patients will be referred to collections and they must provide an interpreter. And there are a lot more the Department of Health asked out of this license, and we've posted the decision in its entirety on our website, WPRI.com. Neighbors sent me a statement saying that they look forward to opening the West Warwick location on November 1st and the Bristol location next year. I'm Steve Nielsen, Eyewitness News.